Husband suspected in policewoman's killing turns himself into cops accompanied by his attorney.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, has confirmed that 53-year-old Barrington White, the husband of slain woman District Constable Melissa Edwards White, surrendered to the authorities today, October 2. Prominent attorney at law Peter Champigny reportedly accompanied the accused man to the police commissioner's office. Detectives assigned to the Hunts Bay Criminal Investigation Branch listed Barry White, otherwise called Barry or Drop, of Farmbrook Avenue, Kingston 20, and Santa Hill District in Spalding, Manchester, as a person of interest in the chopping death of Edwards White in the Patrick City area of St. Andrew on Saturday, September 29. Reports are that the victim, her brother, and her husband were at home when the brother reportedly left the house to run an errand. It is further reported that, upon his return to the house, the brother found the grill to the house locked. The victim's brother, after calling Edwards White and not getting an answer, went to the back of the house and looked through a window to see his sister lying in a pool of blood. The police were summoned and upon their arrival managed to gain entry to the house and subsequently discovered the dismembered body of the 43-year-old cop shortly after 8 p.m. A machete was found at the scene. We don't know immediately what triggered it, but we know that something developed and him chop her to pieces. Him chop her up real bad. It is really bad inside the house, said Marlon Wright, a brother of the victim. The mother of 3, who served in the Jamaica Constabulary Force for approximately 8 years, was home cooking chicken and barbecue pork, according to one of her twin daughters, Nurse Tracy Morris, who harbors her own theory as to what caused her mother's death. She did not do anything. They did not have a quarrel. They did not talk. He did not want to talk. They just said morning and bye. He goes to work. She goes to work. There was no communication, but there was jealousy, the nurse said. I did not see it coming. I never see it. He showed no signs of anger. He was okay. It is a surprise. The two were married for 4 years. The district constable's death sent shockwaves across the country and has received widespread condemnation, including by the National Security Minister and the Police Commissioner.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.